babe. I beg you, don't repeat it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Can we just like take a moment to just clock that? That's the first time we've actually done it on the first go.
I know! I know. Normally that's bare try.
Yeah,
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're gonna do a challenge. I feel like what's going on in the world right now is crazy. It's a lot. We home 24/7. Vicky, obviously, if you guys know, she goes boarding school. I called her and I made her come straight to my house. So
I was gassed, by the way. I was so happy. I was like, me school? I was happy and I had a test.
And then literally the day that I did that, her school got closed. So it was
Honestly.
even good. It's very heavy what's going on right now. So we thought, to make it a little bit lighter, let's do something fun.
Honestly.
Like a challenge. The world needs laughter right now. This Bible quote that I actually want to read out, it says, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." Joshua 1. And I feel like that really spoke to me. Like, you really just have to be strong in these times.
At the end of the day, it's not a thing that's going to last forever. It's just going to be like for a month or two, and then we'll go back to you.
We hope.
Yeah,
We hope.
100%.
So, you know, let's try and get laughter as much as possible. What without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so today we are doing the slap or fact challenge. I think that's what it's called. If we get the question right, then we get a point. If we get the question wrong, then we get slapped.
And just so Mimi knows, I have hefty hands. Look at them African hands right there. Got an injury, but like, look at them hefty hands.
Me too, I can slap well. We have the baby powder on deck and we're gonna get started. First question.
When is Vicky's birthday?
If you could actually get the day that I was born, as in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah.
Are you taking the pic?
No, that's not.
Oh, actually, I probably know it. I know it because you're Ghanaian, your Ghanaian name.
Okay, come on.
You're Amma, and Amma is Friday.
3, 2, 1.
Saturday.
Is Amma not Friday day?
It's Saturday.
Well, I still got I wasn't told to get the day. I got everything. July 5th, 2003.
Such a shame. You didn't get everything. You got 3 out of 4.
4 out of 5. Oh yeah, 3 out of 4. I thought it was... Oh my god, I forgot we're actually getting slapped. No, I'm not getting it. I'm getting that point. I got that point. I got that point.
You could get half slap.
You go Friday.
What is Friday then? People don't know. People are going to be confused. You know Vicky's passport has her Ghanaian name on it. She's the only one that has her Ghanaian name on it. Yeah.
You're Ghanaian, Emma.
No. Vicky, look. Oh my god. No.
This is for the half slap. This is the half slap.
I'm not wearing no foundation because I knew my skin was going to... Vicky, wait. So what I did, I closed my eyes.
What are we gonna do?
Okay.
No, obviously not that, otherwise it'll go in your hair. 3, 2.
No, Vicky, wait. I'm not gonna play. Oh my god.
Put your hands
Why am I
down.
doing this?
That difference in my mouth.
Oh wow. Are you okay?
Is it my eye? Is it mine?
No, it's your eyelid.
Fine.
Cool! It's cool!
So we're gonna reverse it now. So when is Mimi's birthday?
Wow, Vicky, do you know my year? Okay.
Ready?
Wait, no, because I had to rip it out.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow.
You know it.
Yeah! I'm gassed.
Wow.
No slap, no nothing.
What is Mimi's favorite takeaway?
Takeaway, as in
take away.
oh! I just got it. Ah.
So 3, 2, 1.
Pizza.
I love it too much.
The piano is quite nice. I don't like a little cheeky back.
No, but literally, she has so much Vapiano's plate. No, I'm not ready. Wait, okay, deep it. What if we take it as a bus? Yeah, what should we not do that? Okay. Wait,
we're gonna take it like Okay, pause.
I will. Wait, I need to rest my face. Okay. I'm actually scared.
Vicky.
Okay.
3.
I'm going to the corner. That wasn't that bad.
That was rubbish.
That was so bad.
What is Vicky's favourite subject?
Okay, but wait. My favorite, I have 2 favorite subjects.
Oh yeah, African and West.
Okay, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Business and drama. Because
Alright.
I know you. I know you.
What was my favorite sport? What is my favorite sport?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It was not badminton.
It was always badminton.
It was rugby.
It is always. I never liked rugby like that. I just liked winning it. But badminton, no, I'm telling you.
It's not. Are you good?
Yes, because we
I
learned
know that.
it in Nigeria, then we came back to London, and the school we learned in London, and I still train now.
Are you sick at it?
I am sick. I think 1-on-1 I will win you.
101.
And I might win James.
101. Alright, cool guys. We'll be right back. Because I got badminton things.
Say no more.
Vicky lost the ball, as you guys just saw. Did I see that? She just lost the ball. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I won. No, you didn't. You see? You see?
I thought I
So
was.
good. I'm so
No, I actually
I'm so
trained for
good
long.
at it.
So no, you're actually good. I'm not gonna lie, you're good. Yeah, it was a rusty day. I haven't been training for like a good week. So once I get back on the wagon, I will beat you.
What is Vicky's favourite drink?
What is her not favourite drink? That's the question. What drink does she not like? I don't flipping know. I have a clue. Do they sell it in Nigeria or Ghana?
They sell it in a lot of countries. Mimi thinks Nigeria is a small country that doesn't have no drinks, that only has the basics.
No, I don't think that. But when I was there was only Fanta, Coke and Mirinda. FYI, I went to Nigeria when I was young. She lived there, so she knows a lot more than me. Okay, can I have the colour? Just tell me the colour of it.
Orangey pink. Orangey yellow. Orangey yellow.
What?
Orange mixed with a bit of yellow.
Is it orange or is it yellow?
Orange mixed with a bit of yellow.
3, 2, 1.
So they
I was gonna. They don't sell it in Nigeria. They definitely don't have
They
that. in
definitely-
They don't have that drink in Nigeria. I swear.
Cause my papa no be Dangote. Yeah, that song, yeah. I literally saw they were in the night shop in Nigeria. And then I saw something exotic and I was like, man, they said that. And I was like, okay, that's actually motive when I go.
What country would Mimi like to live in?
Wait, what? Since when was that even? Like, when was that even a thing? Should it not be England? If it's not this, then I'm really confused.
Oh, them pizzas, boy. When yamming the pizza during the quarantine. The arm is getting chunky.
3, 2, 1.
That's so not fair. I literally just thought.
You were sneaky. You've been sneaky.
No, I was looking. I look at.
No, Vicky, you've been cheating. You've been cheating. I want to live in London. I'm such a London girl. Pack her up, pack.
Wait, hold up. But clearly she got that question wrong. Let me tell you, she got the question wrong. London is not a country. Boom! Boom! London is not a country. It is a city. So where do we go from that? We go from that. Where do we go from there?
Where do we go? In your mouth. That's where the powder goes, into your mouth. Next question.
I'm not gonna lie, powder tastes a bit nice, you know. Tastes a bit nice. Maybe Jake, just wanted to say. That's not lie. When we were all kids, we used to yam powder differently. We would think, well, I thought it was flour, and I used to yam milk. What song have I had stuck in my head?
Vicky, be real. Because there's a song that you've had stuck in your head for like the last 2 months and you keep saying it.
Someone gonna get you with some powder. Are you shy? You don't want to change it? I'm gonna give you one more chance, but you know.
Okay.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
So she saw it basically and she thinks that it's wrong. It can't be that one. Actually, it is that one. Okay, I'm gonna change it. 1.
I was bluffing. No, that's called bluffing. In poker, you bluff. That does not mean you cheat.
I had the answer. She said, are you sure you don't want to change it? So I changed
What
it.
did you change it to?
Gangsta Miss Banks Brenya.
Don't get me wrong, that was actually the one I liked before.
But I know your favourite one is the Davido one.
Yeah, because of my husband is in that one. I ain't telling me to you that, man, I got smiling. We could go to Bunchy. If she love her diamonds, it's a bus.
Hey!
My fever go rolling.
Hey!
Then I spend the monkey.
Hey!
We don't like the winter.
We
Fly to
don't
the country, money and sweet. Buy a Birkin, make it look cheap. Look so street and sweet. Don't know how she loves street.
Why are you offbeat? You're always offbeat. Why do you like to always be? Oh yeah, I'm doing this song. Husband.
He's my husband. Like I swear down, you know, don't be surprised in 9 years time when I get married to Tion Wayne, yeah? Like, make me think it's actually a thing.
Look at your face. Look at your face with powder. I talk about
Babes, don't worry. This powder is just going to be temporary. My real face is going to be forever, ain't it?
This is not my real face, so.
I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Hey, baby, would you answer? When I got smiling, we could go to Bunchy. It's your diamonds. Out with some whiskey, time for the Rolex. Let's spend a monkey flying over country. Money and sweet. Buy a Birkin, make it look cheap. Look so sweet, but I actually love street. Flexing Chelsea, and we got cheap. London cars, feel flawless. These suburbs, fragrance, so gorgeous. Back and catch on the pop. I'm in the middle like pop. She give me good kicks, I get a look. Yo, African rockstar. I'll tell you, I like it. Come on, God. I bet you don't kick it. I give it to you. With my mouth. It tastes nice.
Why did you call it?
Your makeup be looking popping today. You should be doing this every day. Oh my god.
Wait, why did you powder me?
Because you got it wrong.
That's good.
Alright,
cool. DJ, run the question.
It is what it is.
Run the question. And the thing is, you cheated because.
No, I was bluffing. Bluffing is different from cheating.
How long have I been with James? Down to the month.
Down to the month. And then I can even put the date if you want me to be extraordinary.
She love it. Why do you know so much about me? It's so annoying.
Do the date and a year.
Do you even know it?
No.
You don't need to talk because
Obviously,
You don't know that.
I know the day.
The month,
I know the month.
the year.
I don't know the year.
how many years?
How long we've been together minus it.
It's too much maths.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Did I get it?
Slappy's coming, Slappy's coming, Slappy's coming, Slap! You said Slappy's coming, Slappy's.
You flopped it! So slap is coming.
Jay, 2020, we're in 2020 now.
Yes.
2020 minus 4. 2019.
But with you, your anniversary for this year has already passed.
What are you talking about?
We're in March.
Listen.
So you have to count 2020 as well.
Yeah, 2020.
Yeah.
2019. 2018. 2017.
That's only 3 years.
That's 4 years.
Huh?
What are you talking about? Yes.
2016.
Oh my god, I'm so guys. This is a question about
2019, 2020. 2020. Wait. 2020, 2019, 2018.
No, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
2017.
No.
2016.
Vicky, my hair, my hair.
You deserve that.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
How did I get it wrong?
4 years. You got together in 2016.
Who are you talking about?
How did Vicky know that? You don't know that.
Honestly, because I remember that day, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. Because like you came in with the cake and everything, and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. I was thinking like, can I have some cake?
My birthday cake, oh yeah. Wow, I'm finished, innit? I wanted to go rollerblading after this. Wow, that one I deserve. I deserve that one, I can admit it. Okay guys, we ran out of questions, so we're gonna call our dad and ask our dad to give us questions. Something you're excited for. Are you excited for uni?
Hello, Daddy. How are you?
I'm good. Good afternoon, Daddy.
Good afternoon, Daddy. Fine.
Happy Women's Day.
It's Mother's Day.
Yes. Okay, we're playing a game. We've run out of questions.
How many brothers do I have?
Oh, okay, that's a good one. How many brothers and sisters? Vicky's trying to cheat. She's trying to look in the group chat. Don't look in the group chat.
There's no group chat, Mimi.
Okay, we'll write it, Daddy. Give us 5 seconds. We'll write it right now.
Yeah. That is some pieces.
Yes, Daddy. That 19. Thank you. We didn't have time to.
Yeah, 19. I got it right.
What?
Yes, thank you. Take care.
Bye, love
I
you.
love you. Bye.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that as well.
But then I didn't know Mommy had another sister until
Your dad
like.
has 19 brothers.
Mommy has another sister.
Yeah, from her dad's side.
What?
Yeah.
So much things I don't know. But he told us the answer. Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video. This video is a mess.
It's none of us square. What happens?
Stop! Give me the thing. No more! No more! My hair! My hair!
Your hair can be more.
No! Vicky! See?
Is it too much?
Show them and ask them, is it too much? Come. Is that too much? Wait, it's not focusing.
To be fair.
No more. Okay, it's done. It's done. No, we'll take out our next video. Bye. Vicky. Is the back of my hair got louder?
No.
The back of your... Thank you. I'm joking. In all seriousness, guys, please take care of yourself.
Make sure you wash your hands frequently.
20 seconds. Sing Jesus, you're my friend foundation. And it will be 20 seconds.
It's a real deal. When you mucked up African cream up, soon like a puff.
Forget that, man.
They like the rest of us. Don't get kicked wrong, it happens to the best of us.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry to my badminton trainer who trained me in Nigeria and to my PE teachers in London. I'm sorry. It was just it was a rusty day, innit? Loser.
And you'll be worshipping God and washing your hands at the same time. And also...
You can sing happy birthday as well for the atheists. Like you look.
Happy birthday.
2 times.
And also try and stay at home as much as you can. To all the NHS workers.
Yeah, no, big up to you because you are just helping us differently. You take it to the left. Them guys should.
Shout out to everyone who's still going to work, who's still doing what they can to make ends meet because they smell it on their breath.
Lord, just a melon.
Right now, I don't know how my rent is going to get paid, so please like and comment and share the video.
Amen.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.